Welcome to my brand new tutorial, guys. In today's video, I'm excited to share this new trading update with you guys. So the first thing you need to do is to click the link from the comment section of this video, and also do well to join my Telegram community link so that anytime I have an update like this, I will notify you guys. Okay, so after that, when you click the link, it will bring you to an interface like this. So the first thing you need to do is to verify that you are a human. All right, you see verify you are human, click on it. You see that place, you click on it, so it will start verifying. You wait for it to verify that you are a human, not a robot. Okay, you see verification successful. Okay, so if you have not registered, all right, so you come here, you see don't have an account yet, click on it under. So now you see it here, we are going to enter your email address, your password. If you use my registration link, you are going to see the referral code under here, so don't change it. Okay, so after you put it, you come to this place here, you see email verification code. You click on this arrow button, you see, you will see a message, this alarm button, you see please enter email. So for example, let's say example. Okay, you see I've entered the email, right? Then click on that alarm button. You see verification code sent successful. So you will now go to your email address, you copy the code they sent for you, you come and paste it here. After you paste the code, you click on sign up. Okay, then your account is successful register. All right, so now I have account already. I'm going to log in on it. After I log in, I will show you how the interface look like. Okay, so now when you log in, you are going to see it like this. When you register, you are going to see it like this. You see calculator, invite, simulator, follow, okay, my team, beginner. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, so this home page, they have the invite section. That's where you will see your team, and they are accumulating commission earning. All right, so if you want to copy your link, this is where you copy your invitation link here and share it to your friends. Okay, so you see every day of your commission, you see it here. That's revenue. Okay, then like for yesterday, if you did today, you see it here. For yesterday, you see it here. Okay, so you see this is the level commission. You see if your friend is in level 1, your commission will be 10%. If the person trade 10,000 USDT, you earn, your commission will be 100 USDT. Okay, in level 2 is 0.5%. if your friend trade with 10,000 USDT, your commission is 50 USDT. The same thing, level 3 is 0.3%. if your friend trade 10,000 USDT, your commission is USDT. Level 1 agent 1.33%. if your friend trade with 10,000 USDT, your commission is 133 USDT. Okay, you see, you read this instruction you are seeing here so that you know how the referral commission works. Okay, make sure you read it. This one you are seeing, make sure you read it from beginning to the end so that you know how the referral commission works. You see, this is news. So this one is news. If there is any information, you see it. You see BYTRADING global operation official launch. Welcome to BYTRADING, register now to reward. You see, 0 risks, real reward. Join the BYTRADING daily rebates up to 30% now live. Okay, so this is their news. You read it and you know how it works. You see mine. If you come to this mine here, that's where you see your balance. Okay, your total asset, you see it here. This place you are seeing, if you click on this band, this is where you ban your account, your withdrawal wallet address. If you click on this, you see cryptocurrency. This is fat currency. So if you click on this add ban for the cryptocurrency, coins network, they are supporting TRC20 for now. Okay, so you copy the address, you paste it here, enter your email address, then click on this alarm you are seeing here. They will send you a verification code to your Gmail. You come and enter the verification code. After you enter the verification code, you click on confirm. Your account is banned. You cannot withdraw automatically. No need of going to copy it again. So if you come on this fat um currency, okay, you select the nation, then bank account, then card holder, bank account number, then enter your this thing, your verification, your email address, then click that. This place you are seeing is counting. You see that alarm button, you click on it, it will start counting. They will send you a verification code. You come and enter it, then click on confirm. You see, for example, you see nation, is it naira, pkr2, you choose any cryptocurrency of your choice, any currency, then you select the bank. Okay, after selecting the bank name, then you put every information, click on confirm, right? So that's all for ban. Okay, so if you come on this security you are seeing, you see this one, you see your, you set your password. If you want to change it, you can change it. Okay, so if you want to download the app, you see app download, you click on this. This is the app. So if you want to download it, it will show you install, then you install it. Okay, it's in Play Store. Okay, it's in Play Store, you can download it if you. So after that, you see betting history. This is where you see your betting history, and this is where you choose your language, and this is where you see your asset details. Okay, and this is where if you want to log out, you can log out here. Okay, so if you want to top up, click on this top up. You choose any amount of your choice. Let's say for example 10 USDT, then click on top up. Then you see, you copy the wallet address. This is TRC20. You read the instruction before you top up. You see things to note. Recharge and transfer will be completed automatically within 5 to 10 minutes and will be credited to your account balance. The address for each recharge is different. Please do not save the address, otherwise the fund may not be automatically received. Before each recharge or transfer, please be sure to check the address displayed on this page and complete the transfer as soon as possible. If the recharge does not arrive in time, please contact our 24/7 official customer service immediately. Okay, so when you copy it. After you copy it, you go and make the deposit. After you make the deposit, you screenshot it. Okay, when you screenshot it, you come here, this place you are seeing upload. Please upload a screenshot of successful transfer. After you upload the screenshot, then you click on confirm. Okay, so that's how it is for the top up. If you want to withdraw, you click on this withdraw. You see, I have not bound my wallet address. So if you bound your wallet address, if you want to withdraw, put your amount, then you just withdraw your money. Okay, so that's how it is for the withdrawal. Okay, you see this place you are seeing B, you click on it. That's where you see the people, the trading. Okay, where people are trading, and if you want to trade this way, you will trade your own. All right, so you trade what you know you can afford to lose. Okay, don't forget, deposit what you know you can afford to lose. Don't use your hard-earned money that you keep for doing something, use it to trade. It's a safe trading, but you know all these things are safe, but maybe you mistakenly, it's not your luck, you didn't win, you start saying legit update is the reason behind all this. No, make sure you trade with what you know you can afford to lose. Okay, you can start with BTC 28, game start, ETH, spot start. Okay, just choose any one of your choice. Okay guys, so make sure you take this update with your mind. If you want to contact their support, this place you are seeing here phone is the one you can contact their support. You click on it, then you contact their customer service. All right, if you have any problem or have any question, then you contact them. And if you are even facing any problem, you can screenshot it and upload it for them here, then chat with them. Okay, then use the link in the comment section of this video. Join my Telegram community link. If this is your first time watching this video, don't forget, do well, subscribe, press the notification bell, share this video with your friends, all right, so that all of you will benefit on it. Don't forget, deposit what you know you can afford to lose. Don't use your hard-earned money that you are planning maybe to go and do checkup in hospital, or you want to go and buy something very important. Later you come and say is legit update. No, but I'm assuring you that this update is legit. All right, so if you have any question or any problem, you can do well to ask me in the comment section, and you can also join my Telegram community. Link is in the video description. And in my Telegram channel, my username on where you can contact me on Telegram is in my Telegram channel. If you have any discussion, you DM me there so that we can talk. Okay, so I wish you happy cash out. Bye.